Well, it's coming along. Command start install. Looks like by the time I button it up tonight, I'll be able to fire up the car using this little remote in the morning to warm her up. Got a temporary ground wire clamped to here for my test light. If I hit this button, there we go. Now none of the other stuff is hooked up, like the brake wire, not hooked up and whatnot. Still got to do that. Just wanted to get the thing at least starting. I'm gonna hook up the brake sensor wire, park light wires, or the running light wires, and shut it off as well. Hook up the rest of the wires that are needed just to get it starting and stopping, you know, safely, and then probably button the rest up tomorrow. But yeah, come the next cold snap, I'm going to be prepared, not have to hop out here at minus 20 or 30 to fire it up in the morning. Well, it's finally done. Everything is hooked up, minus the door lock. I still got to lock those manually, as I need a polarity reversing relay. Basically a relay that's triggered by a ground, so it can send a power feed to the locks. But I can unlock them, so just got to lock them manually. No big deal. Always do anyways. If I hit the brake pedal, it'll shut off. I hit the key button, it'll shut off. I don't have a electric trunk, so it just kind of seems to unlock the doors. I don't know why. I hit the lock button, it does nothing. If I hit it again, the horn will chirp. But it's 1 a.m. right now. I don't want to piss off the neighbors, so I'm not gonna do that. This is for a automatic transmission, so I gotta leave it in neutral, and it means I cannot use the hood safety pin. So I do have a toggle switch up under the dash. I don't know if I can get it on camera, probably not. There's some stuff underneath here that I can hit, and it'll disable the entire command start unit. Hit the button again, it shuts down, runs for 15 minutes. Antenna's mounted there, runs down. Oh, this is going to be so nice. To be able to warm up the vehicle in the morning. It'll be really nice. Supposedly it's got a 1,000-foot range. We'll probably test that out after work tomorrow, when I fire it up to warm it up before leaving. As for now, it all works, and I am ready for bed.